have to study new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Plants. Before we begin this chapter, I want to show you something. Look here. This is the sapling of curry plant. Now it is small, and after some days, after some certain period, this sapling will grow and turn into a big plant like this. Now I am showing you the leaves of different plant. The different plants have different types of leaves because of all leaves have different shape and size. All leaves are different, but there is one similarity among them. Do you know what similarity is that? Of course you are knowing that color of leaves of all plants are green, and this green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll, which is a green pigment and helps in preparing food for the plant. Look, all the leaves are in green color. Now look here. Are you able to see? There are many small sapling of curry plant. That means from one plant there are many plants can reproduce. So you see that plants also grow like all other living beings, and for growing plants need energy. Plants need energy to grow, to burn out parts, to get rid of waste, and to reproduce new plants. Plants need energy, and energy will get from is fulfilled by food only. So how plants prepare food? How do plants prepare food? So we will discuss in this chapter that how do plants prepare food and how do plants reproduce new plants. Plants are autotrophs. That means plants prepare their own food. You already studied that leaf make food for the plant. But how do leaf make food for the plant? The plant makes its food in its green leaves. Thus, the green leaves of the plant is called food factory for the plant. And the process by which plant prepare their food is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Now what is the process of photosynthesis? And for the process of photosynthesis, plants need raw materials like chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves, carbon dioxide, which is present in atmosphere, water, which is drawn from the soil, and sunlight. And the carbon dioxide is taken from the leaves with the help of stomata. Stomata is a tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. So the process by which green plants make their food with the help of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis is showing in this picture. Look here, water is drawn from the soil and carbon dioxide is absorbed with the green leaves and oxygen is giving out in the presence of sunlight. But some plants need extra food in addition to what they prepare by the process of photosynthesis. Those type of plants grow in poor soil which is lacking in nitrogen salt, and to fulfill all the nourishment, all the nutrients, plants to fulfill this nutrients, those type of plants get nourishment from insects. They trap insects and feed on them. The plants that trap and feeds on insects are called insectivorous plant. Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are some of the examples of such plant. They trap insects in their sticky leaves which have special shapes, and the insects get suffocated there, and when they are trapped in the leaf and they die. And the bodies of these insects are then broken down and digested and consumed by the plant and fulfilled their nutrients.